Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from your wallet to another on the Blue Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Blue Wallet app on your device. And if you haven't already logged into your account, you will see the Add Now button, which you can tap on in order to proceed forward with logging in or creating your wallet. Tap on Import Wallet and proceed forward with your recovery phrase. Once you are logged in, you will see your wallet right away. Now, if you wish to send any funds or crypto to some other wallet, just tap on your wallet from which you would like to send the fund. You can then tap on the Send button, which will now take you into the Send Crypto menu. From here, just tap on the currently selected amount of crypto in order to enter how much crypto you would like to send. You can then tap on the address section and manually enter the wallet address, or you can also tap on the Scan option in order to scan the QR code of this wallet to which you are trying to send your crypto. You can also enter any note that you would like to set for yourself as a reminder, and once you are done, you can tap on the Next button in order to proceed forward with sending your crypto. Now, if you have your biometric authentication enabled, then you will need to authenticate using your biometrics. After you authenticate and provide your verification, your crypto will be sent to this wallet right away. And once it has been sent, you will see this transaction within your transactions list. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send crypto to some other wallet using Blue Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.